Hey everybody, AJ with AJ's Vintage Designs and Fashion Toppings here with a little different video. Have you ever wanted to make your own shirts? Now what I like to do, I have my logo put on most of the stuff I wear. It's great advertisement, but it's also a pain to have to order shirts and not have to order a quantity. I don't want 15 of a shirt. I want one of a shirt so I can wear it, I can advertise what I want to advertise, when I want to advertise it. So Vevor actually reached out to me. Vevor is a heat press company. They have heat presses, hat presses. They have so many different machines and products. But they sent me a heat press and they sent me a hat press. Now the hat will be a whole nother video because I haven't learned that yet. Now with the shirts, I've only used the heat press once. So you're gonna see basically a newbie, never used a heat press before. First time I've ever used one. And I've been researching them and I've been wanting to get one. So I got one. I basically opened it up, took it out of the box, read the instructions, and I did my first video. It's actually over on TikTok where I did a shirt, and I learned from that. Each time I'm doing this, I'm learning something to make it a little bit better. So you're gonna see a newbie at this. First thing that I've already learned is that you need to cut around your designs to reduce the amount of halo. But I'm learning, but you're gonna get to see me using one brand new. Now, like I said, I've only done one other shirt and that's it. Just one shirt, and this is my second shirt, and it was easy. A newbie can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. But I am so excited, and this isn't just for shirts. I'm in my head thinking pillowcases, printing out different designs for pillowcases, that kind of stuff. But we'll talk about that, later on in the video. So keep watching, and you're gonna see the process that I do to make the shirt. Okay, keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe and click on that little bell so you're notified every time I put up a new video. And the link to this press, this exact press, will actually be in the comments down below in the description box. It's not an affiliate link. It's an Amazon link to this so you know which one they sent me. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you have any questions. Okay, the first step is to print the image you want to put on your, whether it's a pillowcase or it is a shirt, an apron, a home decor item, whatever you want to print it on, this is the first step. You got to get your design. Now, if you're using words, you're going to want to make sure that you mirror your image. So this says Friday Night Live. I need to click on it, and every software is different. Oops, I got to click on it. There we go. Every software is different, so there, it's written backwards. My logo, there's my logo. I need to make sure I switch that too. And so that's what we're talking about when we say mirrored image. It has to be written backwards. And it'll make sense to you once we go ahead and start printing. Next, I am going to use transparency paper. I'm not endorsing any one brand. I just grab that kind. And you're gonna have the back of the paper facing up. See, the logo's on it. Put that in your printer. Okay, save your image as the highest quality that you can. Download. Okay, and so now I'm going to print it out. File, print. Want to make sure that it looks the way you want it. It's filling up the whole page. Okay, I'm going to hit print. Okay, now that I have my image printed out, now it's time to put it on a shirt. And I'm gonna do also a project on a pillow as a gift, as home decor as well. This isn't just for shirts. This is also for pillows, different home decor, and I'm gonna give you some ideas. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my shirt, and I need to get the wrinkles out of it. You can iron it before you put it on, or I'm just gonna use a heat press to iron it for me. I have this set at 338 degrees, and it's gonna 28 seconds is what this print's gonna take. It gives you all the details of times and projects, so it's very easy to follow. I'm just gonna put this down, it's already preheated. I'm just gonna take the wrinkles out real quick before we start. You don't want to put a print on top of a wrinkle. So now I have a wrinkle-free surface. I'm gonna take my image, see it's reversed, but if I lay it down, it's not reversed anymore. Just make sure you have it facing the right direction. Okay, this way. Make sure it's centered. They have measuring tools online at Amazon where you can measure. So I'm gonna lay that down. You can use parchment paper. I just bought a silicone sheet, and I'm gonna lay this in between just to protect my plates here. Lay that down. I have my heat gloves because it's gonna be hot when I take it out. I'm gonna press it down, and it's gonna tell me when it's done. Okay, there's the beep. Lift it up. Now this plate right here is very, very hot. That's why I'm wearing these heat resistant gloves. So is this. I'm gonna let this sit and cool just for a little bit. Set that off to the side here for a second. Okay, I'm gonna let this cool just for a second. And then I'm gonna peel up this paper. And voila, my shirt's done. I'm taking the lint roller to this. I want to keep this clean. I'm gonna leave this open while it cools off. But as you can see right here, they also sent me a heat press for hats. So this is the next one I'm gonna take on. But I wanted to show you a video brand new. I've never used a heat press before. I did one t-shirt for a TikTok 2 days ago. And if not, I haven't touched this. So I wanted you to see my first impressions and my first projects. And I've done one shirt, and then that was my second shirt I've ever done. So far it's really easy. And this is gonna be trial and error. So when I start learning fabrics and how long to have the heat on, you know, the press down, I'm gonna learn all that stuff. But so far, I cannot wait to start doing one-off shirts where I have a special saying for that week, and it's something for me to wear. I can get an inexpensive shirt, customize it for myself. For those of you who are in business, putting your logos on your shirts, and you can do as many as you need, when you need it, the size you need it, just by having one of these machines handy. It'll pay for itself quickly, believe me. I order my business shirts, I order them in bulk, and I have so many sizes that I can't wear, but you know, the people that were getting them didn't want that size either. So I have all these leftover shirts. Now I'm able to print my own. Now you can also do sublimation papers. I'm not doing that because I don't have a sublimation printer. And so I'm using the transfer sheets for right now, just to get my feet wet, to get used to using this. But I'm brand new to this, and I can see this being an easy moneymaker as far as a business. So this is the Vevor heat press. Gotta tell you, it's sturdy, it's heavy. It seems so far to be very easy to use. I have not used the hat press yet. That's the next thing I'm gonna be tackling. But I'll put their information down below. It's not an affiliate link or anything. They sent me this to review it, and so the link is down below for you to check them out. But so far, I know I'm gonna be having fun. And it's not just for shirts. Home decor, picture, beautiful big sunflower on your pillow coverings, Christmas wreaths for your Christmas holidays on your pillows, and you can decorate your house with it. So this has a lot of uses. And talking about the holidays, Christmas gifts for grandma and grandpa, aunts and uncles, your kids. I mean, I'm gonna have some fun. So check out all the information down below. They did send this to me to review. But like I said, it's not an affiliate link down below. It is just a link for you to go check them out. And so far, it's fun. I am so excited that I have this, and I foresee me using this on a weekly basis. Okay, well, don't forget to subscribe down below and click on that little bell so you're notified each and every time I do a new video. Okay, well, I'm Amy, or AJ, with AJ's Vintage Designs and Fashion Toppings. Until next time, I hope you have a great day.